Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks White Mocha with caramel. So this makes it a little bit different. The White Mocha already a little bit higher in the calories. This is just going to add a little bit more to it, but I wanted something nice and sweet. So it's a venti iced white mocha, iced with extra vanilla sweet cream cold foam and caramel drizzle. Caramel and vanilla go together very well. This has got nice, I like the foam on top of this. As you can see, there's some caramel sliding down it, as well as maybe some caramel at the bottom or the white mocha syrup. But it looks good, and I'm excited to try this out. So that first sip, I got some white mocha flavoring, the coffee, and then it was caramel. I got a little ribbon of caramel in my mouth. It was good. I could taste it in there. Really unique. I like the caramel added into this. It's not something I'll get all the time because this is already a pretty sweet drink, but it's a nice switch up. It gives us some extra flavor. And I usually get low ice on it. I forgot to this time, but that's all right. Ice is gonna make sure it's keeping cool. You know, there's no problem with that. I don't know if you can see outside, it's snowing, but a little pro tip is to get less ice in your drinks so there's more drink. It's cool. So yeah, the foam is my favorite thing I think about these drinks, the sweet cream cold foam, whatever it's called. Let me get the real name. Yeah, but extra vanilla sweet cream cold foam. It's delicious. It adds a lot to the drink, and it's just like a foamy. I really like whipped cream and stuff like that, so it's very similar to that, but it's like a whipped topping. Super cool. Yeah, the white mocha tastes like white chocolate. This drink is pretty far from tasting like actual coffee with all the extra added in things, but that's okay because it tastes so sweet, you don't care. It's a nice light, it doesn't taste fully like white chocolate. It's hard to describe. It's nice and light, soft, kind of vanilla, white chocolate blend. I'm not committing to one flavor, kind of a combination of both. And the caramel on top just further makes this a delicious drink. Yeah, it's so good. Very sweet, but not too sweet. And that's why I like the white mocha, is that it's got that, has a good taste to it, but doesn't overdo it. A nice balance. Yeah, that's delicious. If you've never had a white mocha before, I'd recommend trying it out. I like the iced version more than the regular, because with the iced, you can enjoy it a little bit more. When it's hot, you're just trying to drink it down. You don't really get a good taste for it as much as you do with an iced one. I really like the iced beverages from Starbucks, so iced white mocha, one of my favorites. Really good. With the extra caramel drizzle, well worth it. So I would give the white mocha with caramel a 8.5 out of 10. One of my favorite drinks out there. Tastes amazing. Nice, sweet, but not too sweet. I guess that's the best way to put it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.